Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm really excited about today's tutorial. You can tell what we're doing from the title of this video, but I'm doing a drugstore holiday glam. This look is perfect for any occasion, honestly, not only the holidays, and it's also perfect for New Year's Eve. The sparkle, the glam, the red lip, I am loving it. And I'm going to be showing you everything, the whole look from start to finish, including my face, cheeks, eyes, lips, everything, using only drugstore products. I'm really excited for this tutorial and I hope that you guys are as well. And if you want to stick around to see how I created it, then just keep on watching. I am looking so pale. I think I need some self-tanner on. Wow. Wow, I'm really pale right now. Okay, so I'm gonna start with my face. So we're doing everything drugstore. So I wanted to include my foundation routine, showing you guys my favorite drugstore products. So I'm excited, so let's get started. So first I'm gonna start with primer, and this is my favorite drugstore primer, and this is the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Makeup Primer. I love this, and honestly, the tiniest amount goes a long way. Like that much is a perfect amount, so like a pea-sized amount, and I'm just gonna rub that in between my fingers and then apply that on my T-zone area. Okay, and then for foundation, I'm going into this CoverGirl Full Spectrum Matte Ambition All Day Shine Free Foundation in Light Neutral 1. This foundation is so good. It lasts all day and the finish is beautiful and it's great for oily skin. And I'm going to apply that all over my face using the Real Technique sculpting brush. So whenever I use a brush for my foundation, I always like to just go in with my damp beauty sponge and just pat over my entire foundation again to help even out if there's any brush strokes, or just to also pick up any excess foundation on my face, and it just makes it look so much more flawless. Now for concealer, I'm sticking with the CoverGirl fam, and I'm going into the CoverGirl True Blend Undercover Concealer in Classic Ivory, and I'm applying that underneath my eyes and the sides of my nose. And then I'm going to buff that in with my damp beauty sponge. For powder, because I obviously need to powder my face or else everything is going to slip off in 0.5 seconds, I'm going into the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder, and I'm going to pick that up on my damp beauty sponge and start tapping that underneath my eyes. And then picking up some more, I'm going to start tapping that all over my face until I don't see any more powder to set the rest of my foundation. So throughout my whole collection, it's really weird. I don't have any contours that are drugstore. I'm going to try this one. It is a bronzer, but hopefully it kind of works as both a contour and bronzer. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Sunset Strip Tease. This is what it looks like. The packaging is beautiful. That tropical leaf in the center just screams summer to me. But I'm going to try this out, and I'm applying this with the Sigma F40 Large Angled Contour Brush. So now for blush, I'm going into my favorite blush at the moment. These are so amazing, so pretty. So this is the L'Oreal Blush Please Shimmering Blush in Blushin' in Riviera. Oh my god, this one and Blushin' in Saint-Tropez are stunning. You guys need to try them out. And I'm applying that on the apples of my cheeks and sweeping that back using my Sigma Large Angled Contour F40 brush. And then I'm just using that same powder that I used to set my face, which was that Rimmel Stay Matte powder, and applying that just on the bottom of my contour, just for a few seconds, just to help kind of clean it up, and then just wiping that away. Now for highlight, I've shown you guys this highlight, but this highlighter is so amazing, and trust me, it'll last you a lifetime. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Loose Highlighting Powder in I'm So Lit, and oh my god, it is so pretty. And I'm going to go in with my Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighter F03 brush. And then I always just lightly run over that with my blush brush just to help kind of diffuse everything and make it look really nice and seamless. So now let me zoom you in, and then we're going to start on the eyes. I'm going to the Wet n Wild Color Icon Bronzer in Sunset Strip Tease. I'm going to apply this through my crease with my Sigma E38 Diffuse Crease Brush. This is just going to add a little bit of definition through my crease. And when I'm doing a simple look, like just a liner look like I am today, I like applying the bronzer that I used or contour through my crease. I feel like it kind of just ties everything in together. For my liner, I'm going into the CoverGirl Get In Line Liquid Eyeliner in Black Vinyl. Liner is always so difficult for me to film on camera because I'm super close to the camera. So hopefully we can work this out. So first, starting off by lining my lash line, and I am going to be creating a pretty thick liner. I'm now going to create the wing, so first flicking out that line, and then from the line I'm going to be drawing back into the center of my lid. And then I'm just gonna fill that in. For my glitter topper, I'm going into this Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit Shimmer Liquid Eyeshadow in Black is the New Black. I'm picking up this liquid eyeshadow on my Sigma EO6 wing liner brush. It's just a little bit more precise to apply that, and I'm going to apply it all over top of this liner. To line my waterline and tightline, I'm going to the L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Eyeliner Pencil in Black. First lining my upper waterline, and now I'm going to line my lower waterline. Now I'm going to apply some mascara and false lashes, and today I'm going to these Ardell 3D Foam Ink Lashes in 861. And that's the eye look done. So you can honestly do any lip shade with this look because it's so versatile. But I feel like you can't really go wrong with a red lip for a holiday glam. So that is what I'm going to do today. And I'm going to go into this L'Oreal Rouge Signature Liquid Lipstick in I Don't. The shade is so pretty, so I'm really excited to try it out. And that is it. This is a completed look of my sparkly black liner paired with a red lip, drugstore only holiday look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. I love how this look turned out so much. The eyes were so quick and simple to do, but you still look like you put in a lot of time. You look super glam, perfect for the holidays or New Year's Eve or honestly any occasion, going to the grocery store even. The sparkle in that liner really kind of amps up the whole look. It makes it really different and fun and glam. So I hope that you guys liked it, and if you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're not already. Please do. Come on, join us. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and you can follow me on Instagram and Twitter. That'd be right here, as well as down in the description box, and also the list of all the products that I used today, along with the brushes that I used, will be listed down below for you guys to find everything easier. And I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!